Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Royal Purple stands alongside many of the most respected and trusted brands in the automotive world, especially among high-performance vehicle owners and enthusiasts. While several names on this list are household favorites, Royal Purple has built a particularly strong reputation for delivering premium quality synthetic oils designed to protect engines under demanding conditions. Its API-licensed motor oils meet current API and ILSAC standards and also carry the GM DEXOS 1 approval for gasoline engines, making them compatible with a wide range of modern vehicles. Royal Purple synthetic oil is formulated with advanced additive technology that goes beyond the protection requirements of both GM DEXOS 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. This enhanced formula helps reduce metal-to-metal contact inside the engine, which can significantly minimize wear over time. At the same time, it contributes to improved fuel efficiency and provides strong protection for critical exhaust emissions components. The oil also features patented anti-wear chemistry designed to limit the damaging effects that exhaust gases can have on catalytic converters, helping maintain long-term emissions system performance. Drivers who use gasoline blended with ethanol will especially appreciate Royal Purple's formulation. Its patented additives are engineered to combat the white sludge buildup and lubrication starvation that can occur when using higher ethanol fuel blends, offering peace of mind in regions where ethanol-enhanced fuel is common. Although Royal Purple synthetic oil typically costs more than many competing options, its popularity, consistently high ratings, and proven performance make it a standout choice for drivers who prioritize engine protection, reliability, and long-term value. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. If you own a diesel-powered vehicle and are looking for a reliable synthetic oil, Shell Rotella T6 stands out as an excellent choice. Designed specifically for the demands of modern diesel engines, this fully synthetic oil delivers measurable performance benefits over conventional alternatives. When compared to traditional 15W30 oils, Rotella T6 can improve fuel economy by up to 2.8%, helping drivers save at the pump without sacrificing engine protection. At the core of Rotella T6 is Shell's Triple Protection Plus formula, which blends premium synthetic base oils with advanced additive technology. This combination is engineered to provide exceptional wear protection, reduce engine deposits, and support extended engine life even under heavy loads or high-stress driving conditions. The formulation actively protects against harmful contaminants such as soot, dirt, and debris, which are common byproducts in diesel engines and can accelerate wear if left unchecked. Shell has also engineered Rotella T6 with strong shear stability, allowing it to resist viscosity breakdown over time. This helps the oil maintain consistent thickness and ensures optimal oil pressure, even during long service intervals or demanding operating conditions. As a result, critical engine components remain properly lubricated, improving reliability and long-term performance. Rotella T6 is particularly well suited for diesel vehicles operating in colder climates. Its SAE 5W30 viscosity allows for easier cold starts and faster oil flow in low temperatures. This makes it an ideal option for commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickup trucks, and other diesel-powered vehicles that specify a 5W30 oil and demand dependable performance year-round. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil features an advanced full synthetic formulation engineered to deliver long-lasting engine protection and dependable performance across a wide range of driving conditions. Designed with longevity in mind, this oil helps prevent the formation of harmful deposits and sludge that can accumulate over time and reduce engine efficiency. By keeping internal components cleaner, it supports longer engine life and more consistent performance between oil changes. One of the key strengths of Mobil 1 Extended Performance is its ability to maintain stable oil viscosity throughout its service life. The carefully engineered blend of high-quality base oils and precisely balanced performance additives ensures reliable lubrication and strong wear protection, even under high temperatures, heavy loads, or stop-and-go driving. This advanced formulation minimizes friction between moving parts, helping to reduce engine wear and maintain smooth operation. The oil also delivers outstanding thermal and oxidation stability, allowing it to withstand extreme heat without breaking down prematurely. Exceptional resistance to oxidation helps control oil degradation, reducing the likelihood of thickening or harmful residue buildup. As a result, critical engine components remain protected for extended periods, making this oil a strong option for drivers who prioritize durability and extended oil change intervals. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil also performs exceptionally well in cold conditions. Its excellent low-temperature flow properties allow oil to circulate quickly during cold starts, reducing initial engine wear and providing faster protection when it matters most. This capability not only improves cold weather starting but also contributes to improved engine efficiency and long-term reliability, making it a dependable choice for year-round driving. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is developed using the brand's innovative Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a patented process that transforms pure natural gas into a premium full synthetic base oil. According to Pennzoil, this base oil is up to 99.5% pure, meaning it contains significantly fewer impurities than traditional base oils refined from crude oil. This exceptional purity helps reduce friction and internal deposits, allowing engines to operate more efficiently and stay cleaner over time. When paired with Pennzoil's high-performance additive system, the oil can contribute to improved fuel economy, potentially delivering up to 550 additional miles per year compared to engines affected by sludge and buildup. This formulation is especially well suited for modern turbocharged engines. Pennzoil Platinum provides strong protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a damaging phenomenon that can occur in smaller, turbocharged gasoline engines. The oil's advanced chemistry helps safeguard pistons, rings, and other critical components under high pressure and temperature conditions. Pennzoil Platinum also excels in extreme temperatures. In cold weather, it flows quickly to lubricate engine components during startup, reducing wear when engines are most vulnerable. In high heat conditions, the oil resists evaporation, helping maintain consistent viscosity and reliable protection. In addition, Pennzoil claims its synthetic oil keeps pistons up to 50% cleaner than required by the rigorous Sequence IIH industry test. It meets or exceeds numerous specifications, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo standards, while surpassing API-SN+, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1 requirements. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. For drivers seeking dependable protection for high-mileage vehicles, Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Oil is specifically engineered for engines with more than 75,000 miles. This advanced synthetic formula delivers excellent lubrication and strong wear protection, outperforming Mobil 1's conventional high-mileage oil options. It is designed to protect critical engine components that experience increased wear over time, while helping reduce the sludge and deposits that can build up when using traditional oils. Mobil 1 High Mileage Oil is formulated to address the unique challenges older engines face. As engines age, internal clearances can increase and seals may begin to deteriorate. This oil helps minimize these issues by keeping internal parts cleaner and reducing friction, which supports smoother operation and extended engine life. Its specialized formulation also helps prevent oil leaks that commonly develop in higher mileage engines, offering added peace of mind for long-term ownership. According to Mobil 1, this oil uses a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils designed to provide up to 500,000 miles of proven engine protection when used consistently. A key feature of the formula is its enhanced level of seal conditioners, which help rejuvenate and protect aging engine seals. Over time, rubber seals can harden or shrink, leading to leaks, and this oil works to maintain their flexibility and effectiveness. Depending on the viscosity grade, Mobil 1 high mileage full synthetic oil meets or exceeds the requirements of API SN+, SN, SM, and SL standards. Select grades also meet or surpass ASEA A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5 specifications, making it a versatile and reliable choice for a wide range of high mileage vehicles.